The search feature in Gmail is helpful to use for times when you need to find an email message, but you might not remember exactly how you organized it or where it's located. The more often you use the search function in Gmail, the better it'll become at helping you to find the messages that you're looking for. Let's start by doing a simple search by entering someone's name or email address. If I'm searching for all of the messages from my colleague Whitney, you'll see how Gmail will start to automatically suggest her as a contact and also show a selection of messages that are associated with her. If the results that you're seeing from a simple search haven't narrowed down the messages to show you exactly what you're looking for, you can click on the drop-down menu and then perform an advanced search with more criteria. If the results that you're seeing from a simple search haven't narrowed down the messages to show you exactly what you're looking for, you can click on the drop-down menu to perform an advanced search with more criteria. The more search criteria you input, the fewer results you'll get, which will make it a lot easier for you to find the exact message that you need. For example, I started a simple search by looking for any email messages that contain the name Whitney. I'll further narrow down the search by adding in that I only want to see results that consist of emails that I've received within the past 2 weeks. This shows how, by default, Gmail treats multiple search criteria with the AND operator and combines them. Keep in mind that while Gmail will auto-update with results when you do a simple search, you'll need to click on the blue search button to see your results whenever you're using the more advanced option. In the advanced search menu, you can include criteria to specify the sender of an email, to whom an email was sent, whether that's yourself or someone else who might have also been included on the message, the subject line of the email, words that are included in the body of the email, any words that are not included in the body of the email, the size of the email, the time period during which the email was received, including the option to select a specific date, and the part of your email account where the email is currently located, such as the sent mail section or under a specific label. If you're not sure where an email might be located, it's best to keep this option set to all mail, since that will allow Gmail to search through your entire email account. You can also specify whether or not the results should include chats from Google Hangouts or emails that have attachments. In the search box, you can also type in different operators with a colon to conduct your search. For example, you can type from with a colon, to with a colon, and then put in someone's email address, or label colon. As you can see, this is just a different way to type out the search criteria that you see from the advanced search menu. Another useful search string to keep in mind is the is:(unread string, since this will quickly show you all of your email messages that you have not yet read. This is a great search tool to use since it shows you all of your unread emails, regardless of where they're currently located in your email account or how they might be filtered. Finally, you can use the OR function to chain different search parameters together in order to get results for messages that match multiple terms. In this example, I want to search for all messages that are either from Whitney or that are unread. So as you can see, I'm going to start by typing in from :Whitney or is unread. As you can see in the list of results, I'm presented with a combination of messages, some of which are from Whitney and others that are unread.